seem newer. Thank God they weren't carded. These are larger than the other ones across from me. Wow, these are perfectly dark. These are tall. What's the capacity on this one? 8,000 pounds. That's huge. Some of them are missing the button rings. Wow.
First floor.
These have the high-pitched CE electronics voice. Not filmed to ThyssenKrupp like this one.
Sixth floor.
These have really good motors. These are massive. These are record huge. Whoa. These are huge. Wait for cab 10, aka car 10. These ones are only 5,000 pounds. This one's busy. It's on the 5th level. Oh wow. I love the cabs. Take a photo of this real quick. Okay. Try to get it going down. And yeah. What floor are you headed to?
One, please. Thank you.
You're welcome. This one's 6,000 pounds. These are huge.
First floor.
You have a good day. Listen to the motor.